In this video, I'm gonna show you how to create an end screen that looks like this. Let's go. And the purpose for having an end screen on your videos is basically to help people navigate what to do after they've watched one of your videos. This also helps the YouTube algorithm show your video to more people if they continue to watch your content after it's done. So if you have videos that lead to other videos and playlists, keeping people on the cycle or binge watching your content, that is a good sign, and that is a purpose for creating an end screen. So let's jump into one of my favorite tools to do this, Canva. And if you don't have a Canva account, I highly suggest that you create one. I've got the link down in the description below so you can sign up and get started. But with Canva, there's so many different things that you can do when it comes to graphics for social media. And you can see here, we have a ton of templates for YouTube end screens. But the beautiful thing about Canva is that you don't have to be a graphic designer to get something that looks really good and professional. So let's take a look at the one that I have for my channel. And so this one is pretty simple. It just says, thanks for watching. It's got the logo, this little box here, which is a green screen. I'll talk about that in a second. And then it's got this wide open space for another video or an element to show up inside of YouTube. So you can create this inside of Canva. It's really simple, it's really easy. You wanna make sure that you create this as a video, which this is, and if you use a template, it's probably going to be a video. You wanna make sure that this is 20 seconds long. At the end of any video that you create for YouTube, the longest that a end screen can be is 20 seconds. So might as well make it the full length. It doesn't need to be any longer than that. Once you have your design set, you wanna come over here to download. And again, this is going to be a MP4 video. I'm just gonna bump this up to 4K since I release videos in 4K. And I do have a couple versions of this end screen, but for the purpose of this video, I just need page number 1. Now that our end screen is downloaded, here's what it looks like. So now I'm gonna show you how to add this to the end of one of your videos. So I'm inside of Final Cut Pro, and let's say that this was all of my video. All I need to do is add my end screen to the very last portion of the video. And what you can see, it covers the bottom portion of my video. So I'm just gonna add a keyer, which is the key as to why we did the green screen. Come over to my effects, look for keyer. And now it has removed that green, and now we just need to adjust the clip below it. I'm just gonna resize this and then put myself right in there. Now when the end screen appears, the video that I had underneath now shows up in that green screen spot. And then to the right, I can add my video or playlist, and this can be done inside of YouTube Studio. So I'm gonna show you that right now. So to add an end screen in YouTube Studio, first need to upload your video. So we're gonna upload the video that we just created. And for the purpose of this video, I'll just skip to the add an end screen portion, which is under video elements. We'll come down to add an end screen. We'll click add. Typically what I like to do is one video and the subscribe button. So I'm just gonna go ahead and move the playhead to where the end screen starts, which is right about here. And I'm gonna click the video plus subscribe. And so once you click that, it's going to give you an option for the video tab. So what you can do is select your most recent upload. So that would be the latest video that you uploaded can be placed right here. You also have what's best for the viewer. So if there's no particular video that you want them to watch next, YouTube will recommend a specific video from your channel that's gonna best suit the viewer based upon their watch history, their searches, all of that stuff. Or you can choose a specific video, which is what I typically do on my channel, giving them a specific video that relates to the one that they just watched. So I'm gonna select choose a specific video, and then you can come in here and choose any one of your previously published videos on your channel, or you can search for videos on other channels. So just to show you how this works, I will add the how to create captions for social media video, and then boom, it'll paste right in there. You can even make this a little bit bigger. And you also have the little subscribe button here. So that way, when people are at this end screen, they can also just click your little picture, your profile picture, to subscribe to your channel. Then you hit save. And that's it. You can continue on publishing your YouTube video. And one of the reasons why you would want to do this is to increase your session time and average view duration. Those are two of the analytics that are really important to your YouTube channel. And if you want to check out more about the YouTube analytics backend, make sure you check out this video right here where I go through a brief overview of YouTube analytics, because what gets measured gets improved, or however it goes. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.